Yo, what's up everyone? Alex here from Computer Headquarters, and we got a pretty exciting box that just arrived today from MSI Star International. And by the size and shape of this box, I would normally assume that this is a full gaming computer. Maybe not quite as tall as maybe like a mini tower, maybe, or a micro tower or something like that. But still, it's a pretty big box. You know what? I've got the Matrix 5090 box here that I did a video, not really an unboxing, but just a video about where I was going to put it in my computer. And I wanted to show you the difference. That's a Matrix box, and that is a Lightning Z, RTX 5090 Lightning Z box right there. Why don't I grab like a regular video card box? Like, what is this? Yeston. This is a 9070 XT box. Yeah, that's a big box for one video card. So I really don't know what I'm getting into here. I don't know if there's like a suitcase, because there was a Matrix card Asus made many years ago that came in a suitcase. I actually made an unboxing video of that, not on this channel. That was like 15 years ago. But yeah, we have this big box to open, and I just want to give a shout out to a really special viewer that I have on my channel. I think his name is like Your Boy Tay or something like that. Let me just double check here. God named Tay. If I actually edit this, like in editing software, I'll put his name across the screen here. He's just like a really positive, really cool guy, and really big fan of my channel. So he just deserves a special shout out because he's such a cool dude. And I'm sure my camera work's gonna be garbage here. Trying to hold the cell phone in one hand and use a knife in the other thing, which usually just ends up with bad quality video, right? But I could also just put the camera down, turn the video off, and come back after I open it, but I know some people don't like that either. Can't really, when you make YouTube videos, you can never really satisfy everybody.
You know, you can't please all the people all the time. And last night, all those people were at my show.
So, you might as well satisfy yourself. This is one way to think about it. All right, what do we got here? And I have that like on the fisheye thing on my phone here, so because the box is just so big. Built to be perfect. Okay, I think the idea is lift here. Oh my god, dude, that is heavy. That is honestly, that's as heavy as like a full gaming computer. Seriously, I'm not joking. That's how heavy that is. That, I don't know if that's, I wouldn't say 50 pounds, but felt like 40. Could go weigh it in the warehouse, but I'm not gonna. More foam. Is there another box inside the box? There is. And I was at CES, and I did see, this looks familiar. I think there was a display at the MSI booth that, I think this box is like some special presentation. So I am going to put the phone down so I can lift this out with two hands, and I probably won't edit the video, so you'll probably just see black screen for a minute here, or for a few seconds. I can at least keep talking to you while I'm doing this, so you don't think I'm gone. I just don't know what to talk about. All right, I got it out. What else is in here? Accessories and a graphics card holder. Okay. Well, why don't I snake you guys and not open the big box and just go straight to the accessories box that no one wants to see. Oh, okay. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I'm going to say this because I'll forget. If I don't say this right now, I'll forget later. This video card, I'm not going to use this myself, so it's going to be going up for sale, probably on eBay and Newegg, and I don't know if Amazon's going to have a listing for this card, but it will not be sold as brand new anymore because I'm opening the box. I do think it's still going to be worth about the same, but if I remember, maybe I'll put a link in the description to the listing. They're going for big money. They're like $8,000 or something like that, I think. Maybe we'll sell this one for like $7,500 because it's open, but it's a pretty dope card from what I hear. It's the fastest card in the world. So we got a little trinket. I don't really know what this is. What does it do? I mean, I know it's a small replica of the card, and the fans actually spin. But I don't know if there's any other use other than just looking like it. Like, do you open that and like store Pez or something? And I don't know. Okay, let's see what we got here. What else is on here? Some thank you card from Jeremy Liao. I don't know if I said Liao. Some like keychain thing. I don't know what this thing is, and I don't know what that thing is. And okay, we got our 16-pin adapter. Shouldn't there be two of these? I thought it takes two 16 pins. Some like standoff thing, which is weird because there was another box that literally says graphics card holder, some screws, and a USB-C cable. Maybe, I don't, yeah, actually, I don't, I'm not going to guess why that's there, but it's there, and that's it. The rest of the box is empty. So, in my opinion, the thing that looked the coolest so far was this little fidget toy thing that I don't know if there's any other purpose other than being kind of like having an action figure. And graphics card holder, I'm not going to open that. I'm not too interested. I think you guys are all going to open the card, and I do too, so... this would be where a tripod would be handy, but I'm going to do the one-handed pull here. I hope this is okay for my favorite viewer, God named Tay. Such a good guy. Such a good dude. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I opened a Asus Harp Extreme mouse a couple days ago. It opened just like this, actually. Seriously, I'm not joking. Wow. Okay, that's a big chunk of card. Built to be perfect. And I know that what some people are really interested in is like the number of the card. And I'm looking on the box right now off camera to see if it says. I think I got 336 maybe, but I thought they said that they only made 300 of them. So I think there's supposed to be like a number plaque somewhere that says like you got something out of 300. But my serial number ends in 336, so maybe they made more than 300. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. They made 1,300. That's way more than I thought. I got 785. All right, nothing special. I know people were like saying if you get 420 or 6.7 and stuff like that, they think it'd be worth more money, but I don't really care. And I'm sure whoever buys this from me won't care either. 785. Cool. I don't really see a need to take this out of the box right now because it's so heavy. I'm going to need two hands. I don't want to drop it. Despite my last video where I was holding a video card with one hand, this is an AIO card and it's going to require two hands, and I'm just not going to do it. So maybe people are not going to like the video just because I didn't take it out of the box, but hopefully some people will still think it was cool just to see what the packaging was like. And I'm also just interested in looking about what else does it say on this side. I think that's real carbon fiber. Right here. Yeah. That's real carbon fiber, like the roof on my car. All right. Well, I suppose that's it, guys. One last shout out to my boy, Goddamn Tay. All right, guys. Bye.